portal activation session, and this we can call the 12-12. Okay, today we step into a day of cosmic completion, energetic realignment, and higher guidance. So, what will be happen today? So, actually, I want to do record before only, but today also we have 3 more days. The universe opens a vibrational door. So, who are know the portal? So, go through the channel, and in the channel already we have explained the what is the portal. So, you can release the old and prepare for your new timeline. Take a deep breath and set your just listen into your from heart. Okay. So here what will be happen? So the 12-12 portal is a yearly energetic gateway that opens on December 12, and in numerologically 12 carries the vibration of completion, spiritual growth, higher consciousness, closing one chapter and preparing for a new cycle. So when the number becomes 12-12, its power is double, right? This creation of frequency that supports healing, clarity, and transformation. The portal does not open in the sky; it opens inside you. And why the portal is important? So this portal matters because it aligns your inner self with a universal natural rhythm. Just like natural complete cycle at the end of the year, your emotional, mental, and spiritual energies also seek completion. So the 12-12 energy helps you let go of emotional baggage, close old karmic loops in this year, release stored tension, activate your intuition, prepare for 2025 energy shift. Okay, it is like pressing a deeper inner reset water, and we are welcoming into the 2026. And the most powerful part is the December 12, but the energy stays open in a natural flow like December 9 to 11 portal opening phase, and December 12 is peak frequency, and December 13 to 14 is integration phase. So this 7-day period is called the portal passage window. So after December 15, the portal closes, but the month still carries completion energy because we are reaching the end of a yearly cycle. So the natural flow, why energy peaks now? So in nature, everything moves in cycle, like moon cycles, like sunrise, sunset, and seasons, and ocean tides. Just like these natural transitions, your inner energy also moves through the cycle of growth, release, integration, and renewal. So 12-12 marks the release plus completion phase of your soul's annual cycle. So that's why it is very important, and it gives you permission to let go so you can step into your next version in this new year. And what you may feel during this portal, and during this portal time you can observe yourself. So maybe you can notice when you observe emotional sensitivity and vivid dreams, deep tiredness, and urge to clean or maybe finish task. Heart chakra is activation, old memories resurfacing. Okay, this happens because your mind, body, and system is completing an inner cycle. So for this, today I'm giving you exercises. So up to today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow you can do, and after this December also you can continue. So first exercise name is the 12 line release practice. So why we do this exercise? Because this exercise works because writing activates the subconscious mind, right? The number 12 symbolizes the completion. So writing 12 statements helps close emotional loops and clear stagnant energy. So how to do it? Take a sheet, okay, otherwise take your pen and paper notebook. Write 12 sentences, each starting with like I now release. For example, I now release fear. I now release guilt. I now release unhealthy pattern. Otherwise, I now release unhealthy healthy habits. Okay. After writing all 12 lines, read them once and say, I am free, I am lighter, I am ready. So this method clears energy stored in the emotional body, pranamaya kosha, and you resets your mental space. So it sends a signal to your subconscious that the old cycle is complete. And now we are moving into the second exercise. That exercise is called heart alignment breath. This is a very important thing. Your breath is your direct connection to your life force. Heart focused breathing activates what we can do, emotional healing, and very important is that is the nervous system reset, inner balance, and intuition. So how to do it? Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 4 seconds. Repeat this 12 times anytime. Mentally repeat, I am aligned with my highest power. I am aligned with my highest power. Okay, like this you can mentally repeat 12 times. And this techniques open the heart chakra, improves the clarity, and allows portal energy to integrate smoothly. So it shifts you from fear based thinking to intuition based thinking.